Hello, buddy. Keith Collins team. Want to talk a little bit about kind of rehab loans. So there's a few different rehab loans that we can do in the mortgage industry. One is called a 203K. The 203K is FHA's version, and then Fannie Mae has their own version as well. There's a lot of different parameters that we're looking at, but the idea is that we're basically looking at future value of the property. So if you have a home that you're looking at and for purchase or for refinance, and you're thinking that the home needs some improvements, we can actually finance these improvements into the loan at origination. All the repairs would occur after the close of escrow. There's a calculation that the appraiser does. What we essentially do is we look at present value of the home, and then we look at what is the future value of this home after all the improvements have been made. There's some calculations that we have to work to make sure that we hit those parameters and requirements, but it's pretty cool. One of the things that I find really interesting about the conventional program, the Fannie Mae program, is this. You can do it with 5% down, and if the future value puts you at an 80% loan to value, meaning based on the improvements that you're going to do to the home, it's going to increase the value of the property so much so that you're going to have a 20% equity position in the home. We can do a purchase transaction with 5% down, and if those numbers work so that the future value puts the loan amount at 80% of the future value, you don't have to have mortgage insurance. So pretty cool program. I don't think that this is a program that is going to be used to as a strategy to go find a home, but it's an awesome opportunity to find a home that you have and go ahead and buy it and then improve the stuff afterwards. If you have any questions, give me a call. Awesome program. Talk to you soon.